Smart lighting comes in an array of shapes, forms and of course price tags, which is why as a skeptic the costly nature of LIFX smart bulbs has always been the reason I've avoided them. Let's see if the cheapest, the LIFX Mini, is worth the premium price tag. Starting with the design, the LIFX Mini unboxing experience is absolutely excellent. The package is minimal and that definitely had me thinking I've made the right choice here. The design is great for people like me who prefer that traditional round bulb shape to a flat base LIFX model or the Yeelight for instance. It doesn't need to be visually pleasing, but LIFX clearly know a thing or two about quality design. Naturally, the Mini is much smaller than many smart bulbs out there, making it great for all kinds of lamp, room or setting. Installation is made simple thanks to the lack of a need for a central hub like the Philips Hue bulbs, and simply by downloading the excellent LIFX app you can get started easily. Once you've fired up the application, all you do is add to your Wi-Fi data connection and it's plain sailing from here. I have to say I found the bulbs much easier to connect than my personal favourite, the Xiaomi Yeelight. Once connected you can link to a plethora of digital assistants, including Google Assistant for Google Home integration, which I'm sure is why you're here watching this video. For me though, it's the LIFX app though where the array of options put this cute little light head and shoulders above the competition. Music visualization, day and dusk auto lighting, strobe effects and even custom routines, you can do so much more than competing options. It might be difficult to showcase just how nice the light colours are too. The bulb reaches a max brightness of 800 lumens, matching that of the Xiaomi Yeelight and can also achieve 60 million colours, but I will say the glow is much more pleasing thanks to that bulbous shape. This 9W bulb can fully replace a 60W equivalent with a colour temperature range of 2500 to 9000 Kelvin alongside those aforementioned 16 million colours. I cannot speak highly enough of these bulbs and I actually do feel sorry for myself that I've avoided them due to the pricing for so long, as they offer compact smart bulb capabilities and exceptional controls that are really hard to beat in a standalone option. Exceptional as the LIFX Mini are, I can understand that some might want a cheaper option and the Xiaomi Yeelights are still great quality for just over half the price. I'll leave links for you to check out either option down below, and before you go leave a like and remember to subscribe for more Google Home essentials such as this. This is Damien for 95 Google saying thanks again for watching and I will speak to you later.